Hey, what's up, my lovely viewers all over the world? Welcome to Online Money Hunter, where I teach you guys how to make money. In today's video, I'm gonna blow your mind because I discover a new way to make a lot of money using this website. Okay, so if you are new in my channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. All right, welcome. I recently discovered this wonderful website that is doing well. Okay, this website is been existing since 2019, but they launched it worldwide as of this year. Okay, so I have done my research diligently and I noticed that this website is making a lot of people millionaire. I'm going to show you the beauty of this website, the reason why I choose this website. Okay, the only thing that I will be teaching you here is what I am doing that is working for me. So anyone that is not working for me, I won't come here and show you. And always remember that if you take risk, you will make money. Okay, if you don't take risk, you will be where you are. So that's what you should remember. I'm not a financial advisor. What I do here is whatever that is working for me, I'll show you. All right, this new business model is called AppUSD. Okay, AppUSD. I'm going to show you 3 things that make this website genuine and worth trying. Okay, I'm going to show you 3 things that make it. But before we start, we are going to start with the AppUSDT. What is this website is all about? What is it all about? This AppUSDT is all about making money. Okay, in this crypto era. Okay, that's what this website is all about. This website is into drop shipping, and they are into launchpad trading, and they are also into arbitrage trading. Okay, and those people have a fast boot that help them trade. Okay, and if you must know what launchpad, because the ones that I will discuss a lot here is this launchpad trading. Okay, a lot of people are taking advantage of this model to make a lot of money, because like they say that knowledge is power. A lot of people are using this particular method to make millions. Crypto is newly launched. Those people are billionaire now. Do you know the reason why? Because they saw it on time, they follow it on time, and they make their money on time. So this is the secret I want to reveal to you right now by showing you how this website is doing wonders. Okay, this website is from Netherlands. Okay, this website is from Netherlands, started since 2019, and since that time they have been going global till date. Okay, so we are going to do this step by step. I'm going to show you how you can register a query. If you follow me till the end of this video, I'm going to reveal to you another strategy that will blow your mind, that will make you to become a billionaire in 2024. Okay, from now till 2024. That's the promise I'm promising you. So let's talk about AppUSD launchpad trading. Okay, AppUSD launchpad trading is a trading strategy that takes advantage of initial coin offering. That's ICO. Okay, I'm going to break all those things down for you. If you don't know what ICO is all about, is initial coin offering. That's ICO. And initial DEX offering. Okay, IDO, in pre-launch and newly launched coin, and takes to the massive profit up to 100,000% in some cases. Okay, so let's go. Let me show you more of things you need to know concerning this website. Take your first step to become a launchpad. Okay, by doing that, we are going to register right now. I'm going to show you how to register. Okay, then after registration, you can then fund your account. And the beauty of this website is that they teach you everything. You will be earning money, and they will be teaching you what they know. That's the beauty of it. So let me show you how you can register. Okay, you click on that link in my description. Then you will get yourself here. Once you click on that link in my description, you will get yourself here. Then we can see something like join millions of launchpad traders taking advantage of price differences across cryptocurrency markets to make amazing profits. Okay, we are a legal entity authorized by law. We are trusted by world leading companies. Your funds are 100% safe with us. your earning are guaranteed. Okay, I will also show you the reason why your earning is going to be guaranteed. To prevent spam registration, we send an OTP to your email. Okay, so let's go. Let me show you, because I promise you that whatever that I'm doing, I will be the first person to try it. If it's not working, I won't come to my YouTube here to show you anything. So we start with name. Okay, follow me step by step for registration. Okay, please, if you want to register, make sure that the referral link is here. Without it, you can't register on this website. Okay, and you cross check everything. OTP, you click on this place. As you can see, successful. Let me go to my email address and get my OTP. Okay, this is my OTP here. This is it. I copy it. Copy. Then you go back. Once you are here, you paste it here. You cross check to know whether the registration is in the line. You click your name. Okay, Nzekwa Raphael or Don Raphael, anyone you like. Then email address. Then your OTP, your phone number, the country of residence, and mind you that this works worldwide. You click on accept and then sign up. Record saved. Record saved successful. Okay, so that's that. Then let me go to login. Put my email address. Then password. Sign in. Okay, signing in. I'm going to get the OTP they sent to my registered email. Copy it. This is to make sure that you are the one. This is to make sure that you are the one signing in. The security is very tight. Okay, as you can see, this is our account. This is our account. Then the next video, I'm going to show you how you can fund your account. Okay, this is so my rank is unranked. I'm going to fund this account, and daily I'll be getting 0.7 to 1.5 return of interest. Can you see everything? Once you are here, you make sure you read everything, do your own research diligently. Okay, joint dates. Can you see the joint dates? Here is another thing. As you can see, they are live trading. You will be seeing it here once I'm active here, once I fund my account. I'll see my live trading, I'll see my earning. Okay, I'll see everything here, total earning. I'll be seeing everything here. Here is if I want to deposit. Once I click on this place, then this is for another day. I'm gonna teach you, I'm gonna come here back to teach you everything. So let's go back. As you can see, that's how to register. Registration is very simple and easy. This is their white paper. Okay, if you want to read everything concerning these websites, how it works, you can come to this, learn more to learn about their white paper. This is downloadable detailed PDF. Okay, this is their partners. Okay, those people, they are partner with Amazon, eBay, and AliExpress. This is big company. So here is for you to watch the CEO live, teaching you a lot of things you don't know. Here is when you learn about AppUSD and their services. Okay, you watch our head of marketing. So everything they are doing here, once you registered and you found your wallet and you start trading, they will teach you everything you need to know. Okay, if you register, please make sure you chat me up on WhatsApp. There's a lot of way to make money that I will teach you, like this particular launchpad they are talking about here. This particular launchpad they are talking about, we are going to teach you a lot on how it works. We are going to teach you how it works and how to make money with it. Just register fund, and the starting, you can start with $20. Okay, for you to see that this website, you can start with any amount from $20 minimum to any amount you have. Okay, and you will be getting your percentage daily, and also you will be making money. You will also learn all these launchpad trading. If they are not making money with launchpad, I don't think they will be teaching anything here. And you will also learn how you can trade arbitrage. They have robot that can teach you how you can make money using arbitrage. Okay, so there's a lot to learn here. There's a lot of money to earn here, and there's a lot to make here. So what I'm asking you right now is, if you believe that you are going to make money in this before end of this month, make sure that you join this website by using the link in description. And you can also chat me up if you are confused in anything. I will guide you. Another thing is that I'm going to add you to our private WhatsApp group, where we teach you everything, how you can make a lot of money using launchpad. Okay, because launchpad, if you know about launchpad, you will understand that there's millions to make in launchpad. Okay, so thank you. I'm coming back to make another video on how you can fund your account and how you can join the thousands to learn launchpad, thousands to learn dropshipping, the thousand to learn their arbitrage trading. Okay, so this trade model is something that you are going to learn in this website, and they are teaching you everything free of charge. You are going to be making money while they are teaching you how it works. Okay, you can see we are past the first stage, which is registration, and telling you what this website is all about. See you in the next video. Remain blessed and keep making that money. Thank you and goodbye.